Hey guys, Samuel here, and today I went to the Xiaomi store and I got this. The Huami, yes you heard it right, the Huami Amazfit Bip, Xiaomi's 300 ringgit budget-oriented smartwatch, and let's unbox it. Alright, let's unbox it, and cutting with this blunt blade of mine, excuse me. Alright, so we have the watch right here, as you can see. Let's lift this up. Pretty nice packaging, pretty simple and nice packaging, I have to say. You have the watch right here, and you have this holder, which I believe all the accessories are inside here, I believe. Wait a minute, let me just take this off. Alright, so this is the watch itself, as you can see. And I'm gonna put this aside first, I'm gonna touch on it later. And this will be where the accessories all lie. And yep, so you have, the only thing you have here is basically going to be the charging cradle right here, as you can see. So this is the magnetic pin that you put the watch on, and it charges by USB, of course, as expected by today's standards. And you have this a booklet right here. I believe you'll never read unless you run into some trouble or something like that. Alright, so back to the watch. As you can see, this is the watch itself. I'm gonna peel this off. Alright, so here it is. I'm not sure how much battery it has out of the box, but I'm just gonna try turning it on. Yep, as you can see, it says that it wants to pair, I'm not sure if you can see, but it says that it wants to pair with the phone. So I have my phone right here, and I've downloaded the Amazfit app, so this is what I will be going for first. Alright, and I've set up everything, and what I'm going to do is, yes, it has connected. No, it hasn't. I think I'm going to try again. Alright, the watch has responded. So as you can see right here, I'll be clicking on the right button. Alright, so it says pairing right here. So I'll be looking at the watch first, as you can see on the home screen right here. And you have status, activity, you also do have weather as well. You have Alipay. Alright, so it seems like it's updating. I'll let it update first, right? Alright, after going through a couple of updates, 4 to be exact, we can now look at the watch, finally. Alright, so since the watch is powered by an e-ink display, this kind of displays work better under the sunlight, so I'll be doing this tilting to a certain angle to view it. Alright, so as you can see, you see the time right here. Swipe to the left or right. Alright, so swipe to the left, you get status right here, as you can see. And swipe to the right, left once again, you get activity, you have weather, Alipay. This can be used here in Malaysia, but I think I'll be using GrabPay more, but you know, this can come useful if I actually need it. You have alarm as well, you have a timer, which, you know, this is what a watch does. You have compass, which is pretty interesting. Settings as well, so going into the settings, so you can actually go, actually find different kind of watch faces. For now, you have this. Yep, no, you have all kinds of watch faces you can see, choose from. Of course, you can update, you can actually find more of them on the Amazfit app provided by Xiaomi. So this is going to be like a very basic smartwatch based on what I understand. It's supposed to be like a pebble replacement rather than something that's going against the likes of the Bip, Android Wear, and even an Apple Watch. So this is going to be a very budget-oriented smartwatch, and yeah, pretty nice, I have to say. Alright, so I'll be using this watch for a period of 1 to 2 weeks to test out all kinds of features that it has, to see if this watch is actually good, and I'll be making a full review of it maybe in half a month, so do stay tuned. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Alright, so today Hey guys, Sam here, and today I went to the Xiaomi store and I got this. The Huawei Amazfit Bip. Xiaomi's 300 ringgit budget. Xiaomi's 300 ringgit budget